Hi, I'm Haas, owner of the Pars Moto. We have here today Lamborghini SUV, one of the sexiest SUV on the planet. It worth every single penny. The way the car performs is amazing. It has so many different moods. You can put the car in that, which is you get all different performance out of the car. Easiest Lamborghini you can ever drive. You only needed to put it to drive mode and let the car does everything for you. It's here for ceramic coating. We wash the car, we buff the car, we got rid of all the small scratches, and we apply ceramic coating into all the panels. As you see, car is shiny, glowless. We did interior as well for the seats, which is stop the car to get any mark or any dirt into the car. If you have one of these vehicles, if you purchase the expensive car and you want to make sure the car is going to be protected, contact us at parsmoto.ca or check us on YouTube channel Pars Moto. Subscribe please and click ding, and we're here to help you guys. We'll be more than happy to give you a quote online, or go to our website and get a fast quote less than 12 hours. Somebody's gonna get back to you and we're gonna let you know how much it will cost to do your car like this. Thank you.